So friends, in the last section, you learned a few things from practitioners, experts in the area. That's an example. Taking the same example, you can accelerate your learning by talking to various other experts whom you can land up with, you can make contact with, and who are willing to share their knowledge and their experiences with you. That's very important. In this particular section, what I'm going to do, I'm going to demonstrate to you that how you can create your online catalog or online store. This is very key component of your strategy to create new leads. You can create your website is one way of doing it, but promoting website is a hell of a job. It's not so easy to reach out with your website to the potential customers in different countries. It is not so easy. It is always very important to be digitally present on certain high traffic portals. So in this particular section, I am going to take up one example how you can create your online catalog come online store on FIO sponsored Government of India, Federation of Indian Export Organization sponsored global linker website where you can create your store. Automatically traffic is coming there and you will get the trade lead automatically. But this is an Indian example. If you are from any other country, you will find similar services that will be available in your country locally from local export promotion organizations. All export promotion organizations in the world, generally for their local exporters, they have these kind of services where you can create your online store. Creating your online store along with your website in this way brings you extra traffic and extra trade leads. That's very, very important, and it is a key component of your strategy. So let's go into this section and I will show you how you can create your online store and promote it on global linker website that is sponsored by Federation of Indian Export Organization, FIO, Government of India. Take it as a case study.